Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Learning Beyond Limits. Today I'm sharing a very simple but very effective technique that I have learned from my son's therapist. This is called Trigeminal Face Massage. So, Kabir is at a stage where he tries to repeat words, but producing sounds is a huge task for him due to apraxia. So, as suggested and guided by his therapist, I try to do this exercise every day with him, wherein I gently massage around his cheeks, jaw, and lips like this to stimulate the facial nerves and improve his mouth awareness. I have increased the pace of the video just to shorten it, but this exercise should be done as slowly and as gently as possible. With regular practice, this technique can improve oral sensory regulation. It can also prepare the facial muscles that are used for making sounds, chewing food, and swallowing. Another beautiful benefit is that it can be very calming for the child. Slow, rhythmic touch helps the nervous system relax and can improve engagement and attention. Of course, this should always be done gently and ideally after learning the correct technique from your therapist. Like I always say, each child is different and has different needs. So this should only be done after consulting your child's speech therapist. Thank you.